Here we go, in a Plymouth Cuda. It's quite a privilege to drive some of these muscle cars, I have to say. Yeah, a little bit of a test drive. Manual. I have to say, it goes very, very well. Quite a performance machine. Obviously very big brash American style machine. Oh, that wheel spin. Oh, wheel spin. Accident. It does pull and go very, very strong. These engines are quite amazing for the period. Don't talk about emissions, don't talk about fuel economy, obviously. They are what they are. I would say it does tend to wander a little bit over the road. So I'm going to try and look at getting the suspension a bit sorted out, maybe some of the tracking a little bit more tightened up. Clearly they were never amazing in the first place, but it is what it is, right? This particular Cuda has the smaller engine. You wouldn't know it. It's still really quick. You have to watch your speed.